Yep.
Okay.
The other two have 3 rails.
Oh. Who? This?
It's Rough Roads and Prismo with 3 rails, 2 PAs.
Oh.
And
Yeah.
the other one, I don't remember who it is.
Yeah, but he doesn't do too much.
Ratchet.
No, sir. No, or no, ma'am. Okay.
Here. Here's Pig. So I can.
I'm looking
There
for
it
him.
is.
There he is. Owie. Oh my god, someone just. Where's my butthole?
Let me know if you need pills.
I'm fine for the moment. Give me like 20 seconds.
Okie dokie.
Okay, they got 2 on me, which is fine for the moment.
Ah, shit,
Ooh.
I hit the rock.
Oh, we're getting all my cascades. Okay. Ow, my god.
Just back it. I should have had it. Fucking desync. Back it again. Got it that time. Pig's builds are always so fast. Bank it. Got it. Rough's on me.
Somehow heated up a lot though.
Pig's banking. Got it. No, I missed it. Oh. Who's 1v1ing Soltan over here?
At the moment, me. I got Ratchet on me as well.
Okay. Do you need pills?
Yeah, my shield's about to break, but I got no. I think. Yeah, I got no more banks left, so my shield's about to drop.
Should I hit Soltan?
Yeah, break his shields.
Fucking reverse key artist.
Pig's back.
Okay, Soltan's broken. Oh my butthole.
Straight line away. Straight lining away.
Got it.
He's dead.
Nice. Ooh.
Alright, I'm coming back to UV.
Ooh, gosh. I might die pretty soon. If we get Pig down, that'd be good.
Yep.
Pig's focusing me.
Who's on you, Mango?
It's just Ratchet. It's fun. Ooh.
Happy pigs. Pigs is ghosting. He's about to break.
Broken.
He's broken. Silent.
Oh, okay. He blew up my shield booster. Okay, I broke in Ratchet.
I think you guys are far away. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's 15 kilometers away.
Ooh.
If you can work it closer to us, slowly.
Yeah, I gotta be aware though, because he's got rails.
Ah, yeah. Well, stay alive.
Yeah. We'll see. Oh, my canopy's breached. But I have gimbals lol.
The thing is, Pig's staying silent right now, so it's tough to hit the guy. Fuck, I lost him again.
Completely lost him.
Oh, somebody hit me. Must be Pigs. There he is. He's at 18%.
Oh, I think Pig's going after me. I don't see him at all.
6%. 5%. He's gonna burn himself to death.
Oh,
Yeah, let him
He's
go.
silent again. He's out.
gimbal there. Nice.
Coming to Mango.
Yeah, just boost him. Chaff.
He's teleporting a little bit.
Hey, 5 minutes. Aussie land is good. Oh fuck, maybe did. Oh, 2%! Oh. I got me.
He's dead too.
I
I killed him. Got
Nice.
that last PA on him.
So
Really
everybody
fucked him up a little bit, Mango.
Is it just rough road?
Alright, now it's a 3v1 versus Rough Roads.
Okay.
That
He
would
should be taking us
awesome.
into the rocks. but he is not.
Won't.
He's banking. Got it. Well, it didn't give me the symbol. Maybe I didn't get it. I shot it right at the beginning of the animation. Somebody told him spinning's a good trick. Smacking. Got it. And I even got this. Banking again. I think I missed that one. He rocked. It's about to break. Let's give him some help. It's broken. It's 73%. No hull. That's what I like to see. This is just bullying.
Dude, this game will feel. Oh my gosh, so funny.
Did some good evasion there for a second. He just boosted backwards. Might be lag.
Hey, I think he's from New Zealand. I'm right there.
Judging by the instancing at the beginning of the match, that should do it. Yep, he's out.
Nice. Nice.
Nice! Great game, folks.